Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the 12 high CPM niches on YouTube. Some of these niches have a CPM higher than $9, so without further ado, let's jump to it. In this category, we have 12 niches, and we will start from the first one, which is 1. Finance. The best example for this niche is the Practical Wisdom channel. As you can see, this channel makes videos about finance. You may say that the views of this channel are very low. And why is this person still active? Don't forget why this niche is on the high CPM list. These types of channels have a CPM above $30 and $40. I had the same type of channel, and the channel CPM was $90 and sometimes reached $110. It's very easy to make these videos. As you can see, this channel doesn't have crazy editing. It only uses stock videos and voiceovers that you can easily use. The only thing you need is a great script. This channel has 431,000 views every month, which can earn $177,000 per month, of course, without the income of sponsors, because this type of channel has many sponsors. 2. Investing. This is the second most profitable niche on YouTube, because this type of channel also has the highest CPM. Like the previous niche, here we have the Chris Invest channel that does the same thing. This channel creates whiteboard animations, and making these types of animations is very simple and easy. You can create them with tools like Doodly, or Animaker, or any other software. In the last 30 days, this channel has received 161,000 views, earning almost $4,000 from YouTube ads alone. 3. Make money online. If you are interested in making money online, this niche is for you. You just need to find new ways of making money from different websites, and then create videos about them. The only thing you need is a screen recorder like OBS. The good example for this niche is the Prodigy channel. As you can see, he only records his screen, and trust me, I've seen a lot of videos like this. They only show how to sign up and some very basic tutorials that you can easily do. Now, let's check the revenue. This channel got 377 views in the past 30 days, and I guess they made around $1,000 last month. 4. Success. The fourth niche is the success niche. Team Fearless is a channel that creates these types of videos, but this channel also creates motivational videos that are related to the topic of success. You might say that making this type of video is difficult and takes a lot of time, but no. As you can see, this channel, like other channels, only uses free stock videos and photos, and editing these videos is very easy. You just need a free video editor to create these videos. Now let's check the channel revenue. According to Social Blade, this channel has had 2.3 million views in the last month, which can earn $10,000. 5. Tutorials. The fifth niche is tutorials. Skills Factory channel is a perfect example for this niche. As you can see, this channel makes educational videos about anything. For example, a tutorial about Leonardo or Filmora, Blogger, or anything else that exists. This channel also publishes one video per week. You might think that the channel is dead because every video he publishes didn't do well, but no. This is because these types of channels are search-based channels and receive 90% of views from search. Making these videos is very easy. You only need one screen recorder and a video editor. For example, you want to create a tutorial video about Blogger. First, go to YouTube, search for Blogger tutorial, and watch a complete tutorial. Then find the important part of the tutorial and create a video about it. But the video should be short, like this channel, because currently, people don't have the patience to watch a 1-hour tutorial. That's why your chances of being seen will increase. Now let's check the channel revenue. According to Social Blade, this channel gets 70,000 views per month, and with a $20 CPM, this channel makes $1,400 every month. 6th, Economics Finance. The sixth niche is economics and finance. For example, you're interested in economics and finance, but don't know a lot about it. You can create a channel like this. This channel is currently making high-quality videos specializing in economics and finance, and as you can see, publishes just one video per month but still has great views and income. You can create a channel that specializes in anything you have information or interest in. 7. Crypto. The seventh niche is crypto. Crypto is a big world, and you can make videos about anything you are good at. For example, if you analyze, you can create a technical analysis channel, or create videos teaching crypto and its strategies. But at the moment, another style has become more trending, which is cryptocurrency news. For example, the Modern Investor channel. In this niche, you only need to make videos about new and important news in the world of digital currency, like this channel. As you can see, making these videos does not require any special editing, and the RPM of this channel is very, very high, maybe around $30 to $70. This channel has 464,000 views every month. The 8th niche is tech. Tech channel is an example for this niche. This channel creates videos about the latest technologies and cool gadgets. For example, how the gadget works, the gadget information, and its price. Let me show you something mind-blowing. For example, in this video, he introduced 34 gadgets. When you go to the description of the video, you'll see that the affiliate links for all the gadgets are there. The income of this channel from affiliate marketing is 10 times the income from YouTube ads. This channel gets 4.8 million views every month. 9. Software tutorial. The 9th niche is software tutorials. If you are good at editing and using After Effects or Premiere Pro for editing, you can create a channel and teach your skills. Or if you are skilled in Photoshop and can edit photos perfectly, just record a video of the editing process and upload it to YouTube. For example, this channel teaches Adobe programs like Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, etc. As you can see, he published a video 6 years ago and still gets 100 views per hour just from this video. You can teach every software that you are good at, like Final Cut Pro or Business Stories. 10. Business Stories. The 10th niche is Business Stories. Magnates Media is a channel about business stories. But as you can see, the channel videos are incredibly edited. It costs a lot to make these types of videos. But the good thing about this niche is that these types of videos have a high RPM, maybe around $30 to $70. With 6.6 million monthly views, this channel earns about $264,000 a month, which is worth the investment. 11th Business Mindset. The 11th niche is business mindset. Alex.com is a good example for this niche. As you can see, this channel creates videos about business mindset, like 15 things rich people know about the world. This channel only uses free stock footage, and the video doesn't have any crazy editing, which anyone can do. According to Social Blade, this channel gets 2.3 million views, and with a $30 RPM, this channel makes $69,000 per month. 12th Luxury. The 12th and final niche is luxury. For this niche, I found this channel that publishes videos about the luxury life. For example, Inside the Life of Dubai's Richest Family. The video editing is not crazy, but they use special footage that you find on stock websites, which is not free. According to Social Blade, this channel gets 6.7 million views per month and makes around $30,000 every month. So, these were the high CPM YouTube niches. If you find a new niche, please like the video. And for more niches, subscribe to the channel. See you in the AI YouTube niches.